We are going to run this air conditioner with the Micro Air Easy Start off of a Xantrex 3000, the Freedom X 3000 inverter. I have it set up with Bluetooth. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut the low battery, turn that all the way down, because we don't want this thing to shut off when this thing fires up. It would, if the voltage drops too low, it will shut off. Let's go to status. Now I'm going to turn it on, but I'm going to keep an eye on this thing. So let's see what it does. See if it works. We're going to go down low. And the fan's on. I don't know if it's got the compressor turned on. I don't think it does. I think it's too cold. Yeah, I think that's too cold. I was able to get the thermocouple to turn on with the heat gun. So now when I turn this thing on, it should turn the compressor on now. We're showing 12.8 volts. No load. Let's see what happens. Compressor's on, and it's running off a Xantrex 3000 Freedom. I can hear it. 670 watts. That is awesome stuff right there. Look at this. It's showing 734 watts right now. You can see, if you look here, it's running off of the batteries, off the load. It's not bypassing. I'm showing 740 watts. Everything feels good. 900 watts. And then there's one cool feature about this Xantrex Freedom X. And just in case you can't quite tell on the screen that is pulling the load off the batteries, it has a built-in transfer switch. So we're showing 929 watts. So essentially, with enough solar, we can run the small unit on solar. Pulling the load off the grid now, 8.6 amps. 32% load, and we are bypassing the batteries. So you can see there's a graphic coming for the grid, so it is bypassing. Okay, I'm happy with that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, if you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment section. Thanks a lot.